Hey, and welcome back to yet another edition of Oily Time with Jax. I am keeping on my DIY hacks videos to help you use your oils, get the most out of your oils, and best of all, save money while doing this and ditching and switching the chemicals in your house for natural products. All right, and also I encourage you to leave me your DIY hacks for whatever subject I'm covering. So this week I'm going to be doing DIY cuticle oil and a DIY natural nail polish remover. Guess what? That actually works. Love to know your versions of them or what you do for these two items, and post them in the comments below. Of course, if you need to get oils, please go to the person who sent you here and talk to them. And if you don't have an oil lady already, I am happy to be your oil lady for sure. I love doing this. Okay, so please put your comments in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Okay. So this week we're going to do the DIY cuticle oil, as I mentioned, and of course you don't have to pause the video and write it down as we're going. I'll put a card up at the end of each one so that you can just pause there and get the information you need and refer back to it whenever you want to. Okay, so for the DIY cuticle oil, we're going to use 1.5 teaspoons of Young Living's V6 Veggie Oil Complex. It's a carrier oil and it's fantastic, and I love anything from Young Living because I know I'm getting seed to seal. It's going to be the purest product that I can get out there. For this case, when I'm using the cuticle oil. You can use coconut oil if you want to, but for me, I'm going to use the V6 Veggie Complex oil from Young Living. If you get a bottle of that, it's going to last a long time because it's so much, like a little goes a long way with this stuff, so it's worth having. I digress. So 1.5 teaspoons of V6 Veggie Oil Complex, 4 drops of frankincense, 2 drops of myrrh, and you're going to mix these in a small bowl, right? And then you're going to take a cotton ball, dip it in, and apply to your cuticles. You can do this on your toes and your fingers, and then let it sit there for like 5 minutes, really get in there, and then just massage it into your cuticles. And there you go. DIY cuticle oil, no chemicals. And it works. Yes. All right, here comes the recipe. Next up, as promised, is going to be the nail polish remover, right? I've looked for a recipe in the past that was natural because it's very daunting to have that smell of nail polish remover in the house. My husband has asthma and it bothers him when I've used it in the past. So yes, I probably could have found this sooner, but I started looking and I found one now. So this is the recipe I have, and here we go. Without any further ado, we're going to do 2/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 6 drops of citrus fresh essential oil, and 7 drops of lemon essential oil. And then we're going to put that into a 6 to 8 ounce bottle, right, with a lid. Dip your nails in the solution for about 20 to 30 seconds and then wipe off. So yeah, it's not going to be immediate like regular chemical filled nail polish remover where it's just like wipe, wipe, wipe and you're done. We're going to let your nails sit in that for 20 to 30 seconds and then wipe off. Best thing about it, you're not drying out your skin and you're using a natural plant-based product to take off your nail polish. And I do have some friends right now that have sent me some information on natural nail polishes. So that's going to come as I slowly ditch and switch the chemicals out of my house as well. All right, here comes the recipe for that. I'm looking forward to hearing your DIY hacks and your information if you know natural nail polishes as well. I'd like to know your cuticle oils that you use and your nail polish remover that has been successful for you. This is great, just sharing information, it's so important. I have information I can share with you. I'm sure that you have information that I don't know that you can share with me and everyone else who's watching these videos. It's keeping our tribe strong and doing a ditch and switch. What could be better? We're all living above the health and wellness line, right? Okay, so if you don't have an oil person, I can definitely be your oil lady. If you do, please go to that person who sent you here to this video and talk to them about getting your oils. And if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button and subscribe. And hitting that bell, little bell icon, all that does is notify you when I drop another video. I tend to drop them on Wednesdays and I call it Wellness Wednesday. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Please put your info in the comments below. If you need to get a hold of me, my info will also be in the comments below with the description. All right, until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.